Let's divide 388 by 2. Hey super mathletes! Waving hand, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of fun math adventures waiting for you. All right team, let's start this division adventure. We look at the first digit of 388, which is 3. We'll use this for our first partial. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3, which leaves us with 1. Awesome work, you've got this. Time to bring down the next digit, 8, to make our new partial 18. Next up, our new partial is 18. Let's keep going. We bring down the next digit, 8, to join the remainder one, making 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? It's 9 times. Let's multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. Subtracting 18 from 18 leaves us with 0. Perfect. You're doing amazing. High five, raised hand. Let's bring down the last digit, 8, to make our final partial. We're on the last step. Our partial is 8. We bring down the final digit, 8. Our last partial is 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It's 4 times. Check our work. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 8 from 8 and we get 0. We're all done. Woohoo, you crushed it, party popper. And that's it. We've successfully divided 388 by 2. You're a math superstar. So, we found out that 388 divided by 2 is 194. Great job, everyone. We tackled 388 divided by 2 step by step, and you totally rocked it. Remember, long division is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. Keep practicing, and you'll become a math wizard in no time. Sparkles. That's all for today, Math Stars. Keep shining bright and exploring more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time. Bye, Waving Rocket.